guys, it's Cora. What if I told you there's a place in Knoxville where you can see these views and play all the free Pacman you want? There's no place like it on Earth. The one and only Knoxville Sunsphere. The Sunsphere is in World's Fair Park, which was built for the 1982 World's Fair. The Eiffel Tower in Paris and the Space Needle in Seattle were also built for World's Fairs. The Knoxville Sunsphere is completely unique. There's nothing else like it on Earth. Want to see it for yourself? You have to buy tickets online.
We are waiting to go up into the Sunsphere. Are you excited?
Yeah. When it's time for your reservation, a city employee will let you on the elevator. Up you go to the observation deck. Amazing! There's Neyland Stadium. It was a really great experience, and I want to go back. I learned how the Sunsphere was built and how Knoxville got ready for the World Fair. Did you know Pacman was released in the United States the same year as our 1982 World Fair? Don't have a quarter? No problem, it's free. If you're visiting Knoxville, you're not going to want to miss the Sunsphere in World's Fair Park. Look, a Rubik's Cube. "360 degrees of wow." It says, "Get out and play." Grab a guide and a souvenir. And sneak in one more game of Pacman before you head back down the elevator. This is Cora reporting from the Sunsphere.